Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's mini course, you will learn how to set up your Facebook business ad campaign. This will be from beginning until end, from start till finish. This will be a multi-video course. It'll be broken up into sections, so let's not waste any time. So, the very first thing you will need to do is go to business.facebook.com/overview/, and this is where you will want to create an account. So as soon as you get started, this is the page that you will be brought to. You will want to go ahead and fill out your information as you would. After you hit the next button, you will be prompted to put in your email and then verify your email. So you could go ahead and take care of that. Now, once this is complete, you will have access to the business manager. Up in the top left-hand corner is a button right here. This is where everything is managed from. This is where you will basically take care of everything. I'll show you a couple things, but let me just get into a different account. I made this as a test account. All right. Now, the very first thing that I'll show you, because I feel that this is the next step in the process, is you go up to the left-hand corner. There's 3 lines, also known as a delicious hamburger. You could go ahead and throw some pickles on this. Click that button. If you scroll over to the left-hand side where it says Business Settings, and the very first thing that I would set up is going to be your payments. So if you look after hitting Business Settings and you scroll down, there's a button right here where it says Payments. You will want to set up your payment method. Now, this is where I want to heed warning, all right? I highly recommend against using PayPal. If you have to, go ahead. Now, if you plan on managing other people's accounts, all right? If you plan on running product, trust me from experience, the chances of you getting an account suspended are relatively high. So, if you have numerous cards, credit cards, and you can sign up with a credit card or maybe a prepaid credit card or a virtual credit card, something along those lines, because if you're managing numerous accounts and something gets suspended, it'll take away all the accounts that are connected to that card. So one account, one card, take it from there, and that will take care of this process. So after you have set up your payments, okay? The very next thing that I would like to show you, the very next piece after you have created and set up, after you set up your payments, the very next thing that you will need to do, in my opinion, is set up a business page to run ads from. This is a page that is completely separate from your profile page, and it's an absolute must to run service and offers from. So once you are done setting up your payment processing, the very next piece will be click on the hamburger in the left top hand corner, the 3 dots. You will head over to the ads manager, click on the ads manager. Once you click on the ads manager, this is the screen that will pop up, and then you will want to add a page. Now, you can run ads from your personal page, but keep everything separate, and here's why. Competition is going to look at your page, all right? Now, you could go and look at anyone's ads. So generally, you may want to have something that's similar to business or similar to the product name or similar to the service name, because you don't want your competition to look at your ads, find your funnels, and basically take your work. Now, that may be a little advanced for some, but trust me, run an ad page separately from your own page or your business page. But again, that's really up to you. I'm just giving you my advice. All right, so add a page to your own, add someone else's page. This is if you're running maybe some clients' ad accounts, or maybe you're running ads for someone else. This is where you would request access to their page so you can have access to their whole business manager. But for now, we're going to create a page. So this is the screen that's going to pop up. This is where you can choose exactly, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, the type of page that you want to build. For this example, we'll do local business or place. And then you will set up a page just like you have, and I'm sure, I'm assuming that you already have a Facebook page. So that's going to wrap up this part of the video series. Please stay tuned. The very next video will be on pixels and pixel creation. I'll walk you through the entire process. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you have not, give me a thumbs up anyway, and I'll see you in the next Facebook ads video. Have a wonderful day.